This is another high odds scenario for WoW trades. It has to do with the 20 EMA confluence. 20 EMA stands for exponential moving average, and this is the only one indicator that we are using, and we are using it for confluences. Same way we could use a trend line confluence or a flip zone confluence. So this is the average of 20 days exponentially calculated, which stands more or less for a monthly average because there are about 20 something tradable days a month on Forex. Okay, so here we are. High odds, if there is a bigger picture trend, higher time frame 20 EMAs will only be used if the time frame we are analyzing has got a clear trend, meaning clear trend. 20 EMAs work with trending markets, else they are useless. We don't use it as confluences for that. If it is flat and doing nothing, we don't care about it. We have to have a trending market, a sloping EMA. So let's take a look at the pound dollar, for example. What happened on the way down here? Okay, this is a weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame here, as you can see, we've got this. This is what happened. We've got the ascending trend line broken. Okay, two valleys. Once these two valleys are broken, we've got a WoW short, and this is a WoW short. Okay, this is the entry. It's a WoW short. Then we're talking about the 20 EMA confluence. So it just happened to be there. So we've got now two peaks. Okay, one peak, second peak, and then another peak, and another peak, and another peak, and then another peak. Okay, so we connect these two up there. So price drops, removes that area by a couple of pips, and creates a new imbalance. And then we've got another trade there on the weekly. Then price drops, and then creates a new imbalance. And then we've got another trade there on the weekly. Okay, but that area is caught like 250. It doesn't make 2 to 1, so we have to wait for confirmation. So what happens here? Since the area, while does not make it 2 to 1, we have to wait for confirmation over there. So let me see what happens there. I use the V key, vertical line, and pause the chart, move the arrow here, and switch to daily. Okay, and there we've got daily area of supply, and now confirmation there, another daily area of supply. Wow, short, connecting one peak, another peak. That's the area of supply. Wow, and this was another one. Trend line broken. All that is within a weekly area of supply, which goes from here to here, the dashed lines, dashed red lines. Okay, so this is a WoW trade confirming, first of all, an area has not made 2 to 1, and as you can see here, now there was no sloping EMA, it was like flat. So now price starts dropping, and as it starts dropping here, now we've got price, we are in a downtrend, so we have a clear downtrend because we have removed an area of supply demand, descending to line. So now we can use the 20 EMA as confluence because, as the rules explain, we need, okay, a clear trend. Okay, and now we have an official trend with 2 peaks created, 1 area of demand out. That is the definition of a downtrend. So we can wait for confirmation here and take a daily WoW short. Okay, now price retraces all the way up there, tries to make it to the 20 EMA. Okay, again, and there it is. Okay, another one, and that's the way it works. Okay, we can make it with all 20 EMAs on all time frames. Okay, so it has to be sloping. That's it. Hopefully this will be very clear. Thanks a lot.